Hello guys, today I'm going to show you an interesting fact about ChatGPT. Today surprised by the ChatGPT. I just normally search in ChatGPT, solve leetCode, leetCode 1920 problem number. So just this is a 1920 leetCode problem. I'll show you. There it is, 1920 number problem. This problem says build array from permutation, and you can search in leetCode and you can read that. And we have to give the permutation of the given array by the answer array. So that's uh, ChatGPT try to finish the question just here. It could build array from permutation. Just ChatGPT finish that question. It's a permutation question. Build array from permutation question, and it's try to solve that question. It's solved in Python, and it's describe the problem what it is. Okay, okay, let's I try to do it's provided in C++ or any programming language or not. Solve in C++. Okay, let's see it's doing or not. Yeah, let ChatGPT says they are going to answer that. Yeah, they are solve that question using C++, and they describe the problem also. Okay, let's see it's solving C or not. Solve using C language. Let's see it's solving using C or not. Okay, it's just ready to go, and it's there. It's solving C also. It's in Java. So I'm using Java. Let's take few seconds, and here we go. It's solving using Java also. Like that, you used your creativity and search whatever you want and see it's solving your question or not. If you stuck in any problem, leet code problem, just paste the number, leet code number, and let's see it's solving or not. Let me in comment you are benefited by ChatGPT or not. Thank you.